Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Jeep Compass or Jeep Renegade with a 2.4 Multiair engine, the same engine has been used in both vehicles, guys, and your car does not start, okay, or it's cranking really slow, it's not starting as it should, guys, or it doesn't crank at all, we will explain, guys, what can cause that. If you have code stored in the computer, guys, P0615, 616 or 617, any of those three codes, guys, indicate the problem with the engine starter, and we're going to explain what else it can cause that. It's not just engine starter that can cause that, so make sure you stay until the end, guys. This is the engine out. We have a video how to replace an engine starter as well, so check it out if you need help with that. We made more than 100 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, showing you how to fix pretty much anything from little bitty sensors to timing chains, head gaskets, and setting the timing on that engine. Another thing, guys, we're planning in the process of actually making more than 100 videos about engine codes, diagnostics, and common problems. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to our channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information. Now, if you guys need to buy new engine starter, replacement parts, tools, anything that is needed to fix that problem, or the scanner that we use, we'll put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Let me explain now what can cause that and how to fix that problem, guys. Now, the scanner that we use, Maxicom, right here, many of you always ask me, guys, recommend a good scanner. In my opinion, for the money, this is one of the best scanners on the market, guys. It works on all American cars, as well European cars, and Asian vehicles as well. Honda, Suzuki, Toyota, whatever you can think of, guys. You can access every computer system in your car. You can see, read the codes, delete codes for every computer, and see live data, which makes things really easy, okay, to diagnose your vehicle, okay, and find out what's wrong with it. Now, your engine starter usually, guys, will be on the back side of your engine. We have a video how to replace it. You will need to come all the way on the back. It will be towards the transmission side. We removed ours. It will be right here in this hole. You can see it's right behind the intake manifold. So it is not a convenient location, and it takes a little bit of work to remove it, but you can do it, guys, okay, on the vehicle, no problem. And you don't need to take anything apart. In some cases we had to remove CV axle if you cannot reach for the cables. It really depends on how big your hands are too as well. But it's not just the starter that can cause that. Let's start now, okay, and explain what can cause these guys' codes. Number one, okay, I want you to check your relay and your fuse. This is a super common problem, guys, relay and a fuse. If the relay is bad or the fuse is bad, it can actually think that you have a bad starter, and the engine may give that code, guys, the engine computer. Now, it could be a bad starter or a bad solenoid. The solenoid is the device that activates the starter, guys. And I will explain what else it could be. Now let me show you where the starter wires are here quick. Okay, you have two starter wires actually. Okay, I'm trying to get to them. Let me see if I can reach them, or I might not be able to. But you have, guys, two wires for the engine starter. Okay, and one of the wires, okay, it's a small wire. It's this wire right here. This wire is the ignition wire. Make sure that this wire is not loose, guys. This is the one that activates the starter. Sometimes it can fall off. It happened in the past. If the wire falls off, or if it's loose, not contacting good, that can throw these codes as well. Another thing, guys, okay, check the main wire, which is a 12-volt wire coming from the car battery to the engine starter. This is this usually is not a very common problem, but make sure that it's tight and make sure that it's not corroded. Another thing, it could be, guys, a defective battery that can activate any of these codes. We've seen that happen before. And always, guys, check, as I said, fuses, relay, starter. We have a video how to test the starter. Check the wiring harness, and it could be even ignition switch that causes that problem. But in most cases, it will be either a loose wire or an engine starter, guys. Now, according to the book, practically it is possible to have a bad engine computer as well. We never ever experienced that at the shop, so I don't think, okay, that will be your case, but there is always a possibility for that as well. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.